Yo, petrolheads. It's your boy, Luxury Car Info, back for another dose of high-octane madness. Today, we're strapping into the 2024 Nissan NISMO, a machine that promises to reignite the Japanese sports car legend in a world dominated by 500 horsepower monsters. But does it have the bite to back up the bark? Buckle up, 'cause we're about to find out. First things first, this Z ain't your granddad's Datsun. Nissan's designers channeled the iconic lines of the 240Z, then cranked the aggression up to 11. Think bulging fenders, a menacing grille, and a rear end that screams, "Move over, Mustang." Under the hood, the same twin-turbocharged V6 from the regular Z gets a NISMO power-up, rumored to be pushing somewhere north of 500 horsepower, but numbers on a page only tell half the story. The real question is, how does this beast feel behind the wheel? Strap in, 'cause this is where the NISMO really comes alive. The increased power throws you back in your seat, the upgraded suspension devours corners like a hungry shark, and the steering, it's laser sharp, communicating every nuance of the tarmac. This car begs to be pushed, to be wrestled through tight bends and unleashed on long straights. It's raw, it's visceral, it's everything a true sports car should be. Of course, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The upgraded NISMO parts mean a stiffer ride, one that might rattle your fillings on your daily commute. And let's face it, 500 horsepower in a rear-wheel drive beast isn't exactly beginner-friendly. This car demands respect, it demands skill. But for those who crave the ultimate driving experience, the NISMO rewards every input with a grin-inducing surge of adrenaline. So, after tearing up the tarmac, the verdict? The 2024 Nissan NISMO is more than just a throwback to the golden age of Japanese sports cars. It's a modern performance predator with the soul of a legend. It might not be the most practical daily driver, but for those who live for the thrill of the open road, the NISMO is pure, unadulterated motoring bliss. But hey, that's just my opinion. What do you guys think? Is the NISMO a worthy contender in the 500 horsepower kingdom? Leave a comment below and let's get this conversation rolling. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more automotive adventures. Peace out.